Okay, this is the heart. This is how it orients when you look at it. Remember, you're looking at the patient, so as you orient, their right would be your left. Okay, we'll start here with number 19. This is the aortic arch. Okay, and 20 is the left auricle, right here. 21 is the anterior interventricular vein. It's this blue one here. 22 is the anterior interventricular artery. It's red. Okay. This large artery here, the red one is the right coronary artery. Above that is the right auricle. And the pulmonary trunk is right here, although you can just call it the pulmonary artery. He's not going to differentiate, but that's the pulmonary trunk. Okay, turn the heart around. So we're looking at the back of it. Let's see here. We have the left brachiocephalic vein is going to be that one here. Okay. And then the brachiocephalic trunk is here. The right brachiocephalic vein is here. I'm oriented right. This is the right pulmonary artery. Okay, this is the superior right pulmonary vein here. This is the inferior right pulmonary vein. This is the inferior vena cava. This is the inferior left pulmonary vein, superior left pulmonary vein, left pulmonary artery. And this is the aortic arch, but he just said for our purposes that's the aorta. Okay. Turn the heart back the way we had it oriented before. It was though in your chest like this. Take this off. All right. Number 1. Okay, we're going to start up here. Orient myself. Okay, that is the right brachiocephalic vein. Okay. This is the brachiocephalic trunk. Showing that is the brachiocephalic trunk.
The red.
The red. The left brachiocephalic vein here. Okay. The left common carotid artery. I believe it's there. The ascending aorta, this is the aorta here, the ascending aorta. The left pulmonary artery. The left pulmonary vein. And then we go inside here. This is the interior of the heart. The left atrium. This paper thing here is the mitral valve. This area in here is the left ventricle. This is the right ventricle. The paper on the right side is the tricuspid valve. This is the right atrium. And this is the superior vena cava. I would assume that's it. It connects up. It's apparently the blood path that goes into this here. So superior vena cava. Okay, let's look at. Okay, these are the blood vessels of the leg. This is the left leg. We start with the front of the leg. Okay, number 67 is the femoral artery. The arteries, remember, are red. 68 next to it. Blue is the femoral vein. We come right down here, this very small piece, 71, is the deep femoral artery. Okay. Coming down here to the bottom part of the leg, this vein here, this artery here, number 80, is the anterior tibial artery. Okay. Looking at the back of the leg, the posterior view. Starting here at the top, this is near the gluteal muscle. So this is the superior gluteal artery, inferior gluteal artery. Okay. Down here around the knee where is the number 72 is your popliteal artery, it's red. 73, the blue one, is the popliteal vein. Number 78, right here, is the posterior tibial artery. 79, right here, is the posterior tibial vein. And 81 is the fibular artery. That's it.
Yeah, that's what we're just going to see it.
This is a video for the vessels of the arm. This is the left arm. Here's the front. I'm going to turn it around. And up here, by the shoulder, number 54 here, is the axillary artery. We come down, starting here and going all the way down to here, 56, is the brachial artery.
Yeah. Just think about,
Coming down past the elbow, alongside of the arm, on the thumb side, we have 58, and that is the radial artery.
Carotid's going up the neck, subclavian's coming back down.
And then we go to the back of the arm.
Pretty general ones.
59 here is the ulnar artery.
Get some more anatomy.
Turning the arm around to the front. 60 here is the posterior interosseous artery, but it also is back here in this little, right behind it, near the bend in the elbow. And then right next to that, 61 is the anterior interosseous artery. Go down to the palm of the hand, the back of the hand. 63 is the superficial palmar arch. And then 64 is the common palmar digital arteries. I turn the hand around. Top of the hand, number 66, is dorsal metacarpal arteries. That's it.
All right, these are the vessels of the head. We'll start here with number 107. This is the common carotid artery. Okay, 108, which branches up. This is the external carotid artery. This is the facial artery, 112. This is the internal carotid artery. As you can see, it tucks behind the external carotid artery, 119. 121 is the subclavian artery. .126 is the internal jugular vein. This would be deep. Okay. 127 is the external jugular artery. Vein. I'm so sorry. External jugular vein. Yeah, I'm going to flip it over. Okay. Back here, on either side, number 114 is the occipital artery. And then little thing tucked up in here, 118, is your maxillary artery. So it branches, follows the carotid artery up here right behind this jawbone. 118. Maxillary artery. Okay.